Oh, excuse you.
Hello. My voice is a little squeaky today, so if you can't hear me, just raise your hand and go, "You're squeaky." Simple as that. Today we're going to be talking about Christmas time.
You're squeaky.
Really? I can't tell. Thanks. First song. Jingle bells. I mean, is it really so important? You're ringing a bell. Woo! Next one, Silent Night. Silent Night. I'm pretty sure it wasn't a silent night because people were like, "Oh my gosh, Jesus is being born!" Next thing, elves. They have those pointy ears. I mean, is it to threaten people? "Oh, I have pointy ears, I'm not afraid to use them." Oh! Oh! They're probably so short, just hit your thighs going, "Poing, poing, poing." Oh! Oh! Oh, oh yeah. Oh, lots of people go to SeaWorld on vacation on Christmas break, right? I mean, if the world was a sea, we wouldn't exist. Why are you gonna go somewhere where you don't exist? It's like, oh, walking into a dusty cloud. This is awesome! Dust cloud! Woo!
Oh,
I'm allergic to
wow.
dust here, so. Woo! Next, I went to go see.
You're not squeaky anymore.
Hello. Oh well, oh well. I went to a Christmas choir the other day and it was perfect. Except the advertising was not very good. I mean, choir on fire? I'm not sure if I want to see that show. I mean, I'm sure their singing would be lovely. I mean, come on, really? Oh, and everybody goes and buys a pretty little outfit for Christmas, right? Karaoke? What if somebody doesn't like the karaoke? I mean, they won't buy a product.
It says Cherokees.
Sip it, mister. I mean, come on. Well, maybe somebody's not a very good reader and they think this is karaoke.
Good
Okay?
point. Good point.
Okay. Got that for you? Okay. Good. And high heels. Every good lady buys a high heels for Christmas, right? I mean, who invented those things? They felt bad that girls were so short, so they're like, "You need to be taller. Here, wear these." I'm coming. Oh, broken ankle. Have to go to the hospital. Sorry, be right there. Oh, this is so worth